Number 8. The Redcat Ascent Fusion is a premium 110 scale RTR rock crawler engineered for enthusiasts seeking top-tier performance and trail-conquering capability straight out of the box. At its core lies the advanced Hobbywing Fusion 2IN1FOC brushless system, combining an 1,800 kilovolts 540 motor with a built-in ESC to deliver buttery smooth power delivery, ideal for technical climbs and aggressive off-road maneuvering. Designed around a sleek low center of gravity chassis made from 3mm carbon fiber rails, shock towers, and motor mounts, the Ascent Fusion boasts both ruggedness and agility, offering remarkable stability without sacrificing ground clearance. Its performance is further elevated by CNC machined aluminum differential covers, double shear portal axle mounts, and brass portal covers components that provide strength, precision, and better handling in demanding conditions. Trail adaptability is seamless thanks to the quick change underdrive transfer case that comes pre-installed with a 20% gear ratio and includes additional 0% and 10% options for customized terrain tuning. The high-torque Hexfly metal gear waterproof servo, capable of up to 42 kilograms cm with an external BIC, ensures pinpoint steering even on rock-strewn paths. Coupled with low-profile bumpers, beadlock wheels, and open-lug rubber tires, the Ascent Fusion grips terrain with confidence. Its aluminum oil-filled shocks, tuned with softer front springs and unweighted rears, maximize traction and finesse, making this crawler an elite choice for those who demand precision and durability in every climb. Number 7. The FMS-FCX103 is a striking 110 scale RTR rock crawler crafted to blend authentic Chevrolet K5 Blazer styling with serious crawling performance. Under its rugged chrome-accented polycarbonate body lies a mid-engine FCX10 chassis, featuring portal axles and metal-geared drivetrain, components that deliver impressive ground clearance and torsional strength. The vehicle offers advanced drivetrain flexibility, including a DIG system for tight radius maneuvers, switchable 2WD, 4WD modes, lockable front and rear differentials, and a 2-speed gearbox controlled via transmitter allowing seamless transition between low-speed torque crawling and brisk high-speed running. A durable 550 brushed motor, waterproof metal gear steering servo, and aluminum oil-filled shocks ensure reliable power delivery, precise handling, and adaptability across rough terrain. Additional realism and practicality come from its clipless magnetic body mounts, versatile lighting system complete with headlights, turn signals, and reverse lights, and the ability to swap the rear section between SUV and pickup styles. Number 6. The Vanquish VRD Stance RTR is a trailblazing 110 scale crawler that merges race-proven engineering with bold visual appeal, making it a standout performer in the world of competitive rock crawling. With its low-slung Lexon body and aggressive short overhangs, the VRD Stance looks just as fierce as it performs. At its core lies the finely tuned VFD transmission system, featuring a forward, low-mounted motor and built-in 6.5% overdrive, while the F10 portal axles ramp up the total overdrive to a commanding 24%. This setup delivers relentless torque, sharp maneuverability, and smooth power delivery across even the most technical obstacles. The chassis is designed with performance in mind, built on durable stamped aluminum rails and equipped with a 6-degree angled skid plate. It houses electronics and the battery in an ultra-low position, dramatically improving the center of gravity and trail stability. Beneath the body, the drivetrain is built to handle brutal terrain, with sintered metal internal gears, precision machined ring and pinion sets, solid spools, tough chromoly universal shafts, and strategically placed brass weight inserts in the axles and knuckles to enhance traction and crawling confidence. Number 5. Atraxus Summit is a powerhouse ready to run RC crawler that masterfully balances raw crawling torque with high-speed performance, making it one of the most versatile machines in the RC world. What truly sets the Summit apart is its seamless transmitter-controlled features, including a high-low 2-speed gearbox and T-lock remote locking differentials. With a flick of a switch, you can engage a 70-to-1 low gear for intense rock crawling torque or switch to a 25-to-1 high gear for faster trail runs, while the ability to lock both front and rear differentials on demand ensures maximum traction over unpredictable terrain. The reinforced composite chassis, adapted from the e-Revo, is designed with performance and protection in mind. It centers the battery placement low for stability and features a smooth underside to shield traveling components. Powering this beast is a Titan 775 motor, fan-cooled and paired with a waterproof EV-X2 ESC, making it a reliable force through mud, water, and snow. Number 4. The Vanquish H10 Optic Kit version is a sleek and nimble 110 scale rock crawler designed to deliver high-performance trail action and scale realism right out of the box. Built on a carbon fiber and billet aluminum chassis, it features a front-mounted motor in a VFD transmission with a tuned forward-facing drivetrain, layout that improves clearance and reduces the risk of stalling on tricky terrain. The steering system uses a high-torque waterproof metal gear servo, paired with a 2-link front suspension and rear 4-link setup, giving the Optic Kit excellent articulation and handling precision through rock gardens and root-strewn paths. With portaled axles offering overdrive gearing and cleverly designed brass-weighted hubs for added traction and stability, the vehicle offers both responsive low-speed torque and nimble agility. Its oil-filled aluminum shocks with threaded bodies provide tunable damping for varying terrain. Number 3. The Axel Capra RTR is a purpose-built 110 scale rock crawler that fuses hardcore trail performance with competition-level precision, offering an out-of-the-box experience that's ready to dominate the most demanding terrain. Its standout tube chassis not only looks like a real rock buggy, but also delivers exceptional strength and rigidity, housing a robust drivetrain with all-metal gears for unmatched durability. At its core are licensed Curry F9 portal axles, engineered to provide superior ground clearance and torque multiplication, ensuring it crawls effortlessly over jagged rocks and steep inclines. But the real game-changer is the factory-installed 4-wheel steering system, powered by dual Spectrum S61 metal gear servos that allow independent rear-wheel control up to 100%, giving you the precision to pivot, crab walk, or turn on a dime in technical rock gardens where others would get stuck. Its suspension setup includes adjustable aluminum oil-filled shocks and stainless steel pivot hardware that work together to deliver smooth articulation and superior tire contact even on off-camber climbs. Number 2. The Axel SCX103 Jeep JT Gladiator RTR is a stunning blend of trail-ready performance and jaw-dropping scale realism, crafted to conquer rugged terrain while turning heads with its authentic Jeep styling. Built on the advanced CCX10 3 platform, this 110 scale rock crawler comes equipped with a R45 portal axles that significantly increase ground clearance and reduce torque twist, allowing it to glide over rocks, roots, and technical sections with ease. Under the hood, the powerful 540 size motor is cleverly positioned up front and hidden beneath a detailed replica V8 engine cover, not just enhancing protection, but also adding a layer of realism that brings the vehicle to life. What truly adds to its dynamic trail capability is the DIG function activated right from the transmitter, which allows you to lock the rear axle on command for tighter turns and sharper control. For enthusiasts craving more, The transmission is upgradable to a 2-speed setup, or even a combination of DIG and 2-speed shifting with a 4-channel radio system, giving you the flexibility to switch between slow technical crawling and high-speed trail runs. Number 1. The Redcat Everest Ascent is a fearless 1/10 scale RTR rock crawler that blends technical capability with thoughtful design, making it perfect for visually striking and action-packed 3-minute video content. Straight out of the box, it features a forward-mounted 42T550 brushed motor and a V440A ESC, both positioned low within the chassis to optimize weight distribution and climbing performance. This intelligent layout is complemented by a robust 3mm steel, low center of gravity chassis that provides incredible durability while maximizing trail stability. Its portal axles deliver a ground-hugging 70mm of clearance at the center. Skid plate without relying on oversized tires, allowing the Ascent to conquer tough terrain with finesse and control. The real innovation lies in its quick-change underdrive transfer case, which lets you instantly adjust the gearing to 0%, 10%, or 20% underdrive, depending on the trail challenge, enhancing traction and crawl precision in real time. Built to endure. The elements, it features a waterproof 35 kilograms metal gear servo that offers strong, responsive steering power, while aluminum oil-filled shocks absorb rough impacts and maintain consistent articulation over rocks, logs, and uneven ground.